Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install this War of Mine game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box and then type in this War of Mine to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now, you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter the credentials of your chosen method, followed by your billing information, and once you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks, and once it is done, you may start enjoying the This War of Mine game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install This War of Mine on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.